this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can use the point of control in each candle as potential support and resistance by looking for clusters of point of controls that are at the same price point. This is a 5-minute NQ chart. I've got my quick drawing tool over here. This is a free indicator from NINZA. Just click on it. Now I can draw a horizontal line on my chart. So right here, I'm looking at these 3 candles. The point of control is basically at the same price on all of them. I'm going to draw a line there. And this is the overnight session and pre-market. So before I start the trading day, I'm just going to be looking for these levels. So you got 2 right next to each other right there. 2 right next to each other right there. We got 4 or 5 point of controls right here. Through these candles and this candle, point of control is all the same. Got a couple right next to each other right here. Down here at the bottom, see these point of controls line up. And there's about 3 right here. They're all in alignment right under VWAP there. So those were all pre-market, before 8:30 a.m. So now when we go to the New York session here, here's the first candle, the New York open. See the next 2 candles, we bounce right off of this purple line. Later on in the morning, we get a hang up around this purple line. We bounce right up to this purple line right there, and right here later in the day. We're also getting some hold up right here, this purple line that we just drew. And then as the day goes on, I'm looking for more point of controls in the same area. There's 2 right there next to each other. And here's 2 right there and right there. So as we're going on in the future here, you can see price pulls back right down to this purple line where both of these point of controls were in alignment. Get a nice rejection there. This other line I drew right here from these candles is getting rejected right there and there. Also over here when VWAP catches up. Here's another example on the 60-minute chart. So we're still in the first hour candle of the New York open. But I was looking back and I saw that these 2 point of controls right here on these 2 candles were right next to each other. So I drew a horizontal line there. This is before the market opened. We just came right down to that line. We bounced up over 25 points right off of this special POC cluster line. These two are pretty close to each other as well. I would have drawn a line there. See, price came right down to that level right there. Got a nice rejection, again over 25 points. So originally I was going to put this feature on the indicator that would automatically plot these horizontal lines when the POC was at the same price point for multiple candles within a certain range. It's still something that I might do in the future, but either way I just wanted to show you a way to plot them manually. You can see these turn into pretty good areas of resistance, good places to catch pullbacks. Good places to watch for breaks. When we break this one to the downside, get a nice down move. When we break it again to the upside, nice up move. You can use this technique with any POC indicator. The one on the charts is the MMT Ultimate POC. There are links in the description if you're interested in learning more. Also, on a side note, the candles are being painted by the MMT Ultimate Heiken Ashi with the Heiken Ashi core logic default settings, but using a simple breakout strategy with the Heiken Ashi core. If I get a green Heiken Ashi candle, looking for a break above to take a long. So right there, the first candle, the New York open, we do not break higher, no trade. Here's a red candle, so I'm looking for a break lower. We do not break lower, no trade. The 3rd-minute candle of the New York open, we get a green candle. We're looking for a break above. We get the break above. Nice move up. Next red candle, we're looking for a break below. We get the break below. Nice push down. And as with most things, I'm only trading this between 9:30 and 10:30 for the first hour of the New York open. So here's 10:30, I'm done for the day. We had 2 trades that triggered. Both of them moved very nicely in their respective directions. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.